Are you tired of dull skin and lackluster hair? Well, we have the answer you've been looking for: Moringa tea herb. This powerful herb is the secret to achieving radiant skin and hair that will have everyone turning heads. So, let's dive into the ultimate guide to Moringa tea and unlock the secrets to glowing beauty. Moringa tea is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that work wonders for your skin. It helps to fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation, leaving your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Say goodbye to blemishes and hello to a clear, radiant complexion. But it's not just your skin that will benefit from Moringa tea. This herbal elixir also works wonders for your hair. It strengthens your hair follicles, preventing breakage and promoting healthy growth. Wave goodbye to frizzy, unmanageable hair and say hello to luscious, shiny locks. And the best part? Moringa tea is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Simply brew a cup of this magical tea and sip your way to radiant beauty. It's as simple as that. So, if you're ready to unlock the secret to radiant skin and hair, look no further than Moringa tea herb. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a beautiful, glowing you. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.